Filipino cowboy here at the stockyards in Fort Worth. Filipino cowboy. This is Risky's. All right, so Grandma's very twisty. Look at the size of that drink. We are at Risky's. Risky's, where we had a nice salad. Here we are at Risky's in Fort Worth. Risky's in Fort Worth. Steak, Miller Lite, draft, and a big giant goblet. So this is Risky's. We ain't dialing 911. That's all saloon pictures. Look, that's what it was like. Yeah, that's a new one now. All right, steak here at Risky's and a pork chop with sweet potato fries and ketchup. So we're here at Risky's. We got really hungry after flying all night from Hawaii. Come here with no sleep. Enough to eat. So we're here at Risky's. It's Risky. Risky Steakhouse. We're the finest lunch steak for $19 and a pork chop.